Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have Figma open. Install the Breakpoints plugin and pin it. Once installed, open the file you will convert, then create 3 named frames: desktop, tablet, mobile. Next, set the base frame width, for example 1440 for desktop, and remove extra margins so constraints behave predictably. Make sure elements use auto layout or fixed constraints where appropriate. This prepares components to adapt. Finally, save a version snapshot before running the plugin so you can revert if needed. You now define specific breakpoints and the rules that govern them. Start by listing widths: 1440, 1024, 768, 375, and describe how each layout should change. Once done, set constraints on key components, left/right pins, scaling, or center, and prefer auto layout for stacked elements to maintain spacing. Then run the plugin, map each component to a rule, and apply priority overrides for complex modules. Make sure to preview each breakpoint you're in the final phase, preview and export. First, use Figma's prototype view and the plugin's preview to cycle through each breakpoint and verify spacing, font scaling, and visibility. Once satisfied, export assets at 1x and 2x and package design tokens plus specs for dev handoff. If something goes wrong, the plugin stalls or won't apply rules, reload Figma, clear cache, and reinstall the plugin. Also double-check file permissions and component naming. Keep a backup snapshot so you can restore quickly if needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.